Hello, I am Giant and this is my channel. You will learn how to make beautiful and simple background within pop of menus, just following my steps on videos. I will show all the buttons present. You can freely use footage color during educational videos. On my second channel Machine Footage, you can download ready-to-use footage and use it in your videos. But I strongly ask to specify original footage only. Important to know creating some footage as requires some Python plugins sign the speed of the processing to make this much easier. You can even monetize your videos. In exchange, I just simply ask for likes and comments. Business cooperation, welcome to my email address. Feel free to ask questions or give suggestions in the comment section.